Hello students, I am here again with the second part of the chapter. So let's start. Let's start with Odisha state. So what is the capital of Odisha, students? Think fast. Bhubaneswar, right. So what is the capital of Odisha? The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Cuttack is the main city and business center here. And Cuttack is also called Silver City. Cuttack को क्या कहा जाता है? सिल्वर सिटी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. आप लोग जानते हैं कि सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट डैम पूरे वर्ल्ड में है, उसका नाम क्या है? Did you know what is the name of the dam? Second largest dam in the world? The Hirakund Dam, the second largest dam in the world, is on the Mahanadi River. जो वर्ल्ड का सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट डैम है उसका नाम है हीराकुंड डैम. ओके, एंड आपको पता है कि मेन क्रॉप्स यहाँ पर कौन कौन सी होती हैं उड़ीसा में? द मेन क्रॉप्स ग्रोन इन उड़ीसा आर राइस, पल्सेस, ऑयल सीड्स, coconut, sugarcane, turmeric and jute. The state is rich in coal, iron, etc. The iron and steel plant is in Rourkela. Rourkela is a planned city, students, located in the northern part of Odisha in India. Okay? और यह राज्य के तीसरे सबसे बड़े शहरी समूहों में इसे गिना जाता है. Students, the tourists from all over India and from many other countries come to visit the Sun Temple at Konark, Jagannath Temple in Puri, Chilka Lake, Cave Temple, etc. The tribals live mostly in forested areas. Did you know कि कौन सी लैंग्वेजेस है, मेन लैंग्वेजेस है जो कि उड़ीसा में बोली जाती हैं? मेन लैंग्वेजेस उड़ीसा की हैं उड़िया एंड हिंदी. द मेन लैंग्वेजेस स्पोकन बाय द पीपल आर उड़िया एंड हिंदी. अच्छा, डांस किस किस को पसंद है? मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है. आई होप आप सभी को भी बहुत पसंद होगा. क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं कि उड़ीसा का मेन पॉपुलर डांस फॉर्म कौन सा है? उड़ीसा का मेन पॉपुलर डांस फॉर्म है उड़ीसी. उड़ीसी इज द पॉपुलर डांस फॉर्म ऑफ उड़ीसा. क्या आप जानते हैं कि उड़ीसा को किस चीज के लिए सबसे ज्यादा जाना जाता है? उड़ीसा इज वेल नोन फॉर व्हाट? स्टूडेंट्स, उड़ीसा इज वेल नोन फॉर रथ यात्रा, टेक्सटाइल्स एंड सिल्वर वर्क. So next state is Maharashtra. Let's take or collect many information about this state. So students, what is the capital of Maharashtra? Did you know? Think about it fast. Right, Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai called the gateway of India. Okay, the Godavari and Krishna river flow through this state. The lava or black soil is good for growing, you know what? For cotton, sugarcane, groundnut, etc. Fruits such as mangoes, oranges, grapes, bananas, etc. are also grown here. Many industries such as textiles, automobiles, machines, electrical and electronic goods have developed where? In Maharashtra. क्या आप जानते हो कि वुमेन्स महाराष्ट्र में क्या वेयर करती हैं? The women in Maharashtra wear a special 9 meter long sari and they tie it in a unique way. And आप लोग जानते हैं कि वहाँ पर मेन लैंग्वेजेस कौन कौन सी हैं? The main languages spoken by the people of the state are Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, English, etc. और जो मेन फेस्टिवल्स हैं जो महाराष्ट्र में सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं वो है गणेश चतुर्थी, नवरात्रि, दिवाली, होली, ईद, एक्सेट्रा. द मेन फोक डांसेस आर, यू नो व्हाट आर द मेन फोक डांसेस इन महाराष्ट्र? The main folk dances are Tamasha and Lavani. And students, the main tourist attractions are Ajanta and Ellora cave and sea beaches there. Next state is Karnataka. You know what is the capital of Karnataka? Right, Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. आप जानते हैं कौन कौन सी रिवर्स कर्नाटका से होके गुजरती हैं? कृष्णा एंड कावेरी. यहाँ की मेन ऑक्यूपेशन है फार्मिंग and the crops grown are jowar, ragi, cotton, sugarcane, coffee, nuts and spices. The forests are rich in teak and sandalwood trees. You know, the state is the largest producer of silk in India. This state is what? The largest producer of silk in India. Karnataka has an uneven land surface. Students, Bengaluru, which is the capital of Karnataka, is the center of IT industry in India. You know what is IT? What is the full form of IT? Information Technology. And is also called it Silicon Valley of India. It is most popular word. It is called what? Silicon Valley of India. Students, did you know what are the main languages which are spoken by the people there? The main languages spoken by the people are Kannada, Hindi and English. Men usually wear lungi and shirt there and the women wear silk sari. Men wear करते हैं लुंगी और शर्ट को और women wear करती हैं silk sari को. The state has temples and monuments such as statue of Lord Gomteshwar, Nandi Bull Temple, Hampi Temple, etc. Now let's move on to the next state, which is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So what is the present capital of both of these states? Hyderabad, right. Hyderabad is at present the capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The new capital of Andhra Pradesh will be what? Amravati, right. The Godavari and Krishna river flows through these states. You know what are the important cities there in this state? Visakhapatnam, Warangal, Tirupati, Vijayawada, Kurnool or Chittoor. The main crops grown by the farmers are rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane, groundnuts and cashew nuts. The important industries in this state, जो important industries हैं students इस state में वो हैं automobiles, iron and steel, textiles, silk, handloom, cement, buildings, shipbuildings, computer software, etc. आप जानते हैं कि ये state किस चीज के लिए सबसे ज्यादा famous है? बिंदड़ी वर्क के लिए. बिंदड़ी वर्क के लिए ये state सबसे ज्यादा famous है. सबसे ज्यादा बोली जाने वाली भाषाएं इन स्टेट्स की है तेलुगु, उर्दू, इंग्लिश. ओके, एंड यू नो व्हाट इज द पॉपुलर डांस फॉर्म हियर? कुचिपुड़ी इज द पॉपुलर डांस फॉर्म हियर. द मेन फेस्टिवल्स celebrated in both of these states are Pongal, Ugadi, Sankranti and Eid. Men likes to wear dhoti, shirt and women likes to wear sari there. The main tourist centers are Hyderabad, Tirupati and beaches. चलिए अब हम जानेंगे तमिलनाडु स्टेट के बारे में और उसके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स के बारे में. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ तमिलनाडु? द कैपिटल ऑफ तमिलनाडु इज चेन्नई, राइट, एंड इट इज फॉर्मली कॉल्ड मद्रास. There are many temple towns in the state such as Madurai, Tanjavur, Tiruchirappalli, Kanyakumari, Kanchipuram, etc. The state is also famous for silk sarees. Silk sarees के लिए तमिलनाडु सबसे famous state है. The main crop produced by the farmers are rice, cotton, sugarcane, coffee, tea, coconut, fruits, etc. Tea and coffee are produced in the Nilgiri hills. Fishing is important in the coastal areas. आप जानते हैं मेन इंडस्ट्रीज स्टेट में कौन कौन सी है? द मेन इंडस्ट्रीज इन द स्टेट आर sugar, automobiles, silk and cotton textiles.
और क्या आप जानते हैं कि कोस्टल एरियाज को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? तटीय क्षेत्र.
अब हम जानेंगे कि तमिलनाडु में सबसे ज्यादा बोले जाने वाली भाषा कौन सी है. So students, people in the Tamil Nadu mostly speak Tamil and English. The men like to wear lungi or dhoti and shirt, and women mostly wear sari there. You know what is the popular dance form of Tamil Nadu? As you can see in this slide, Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is the popular dance form of Tamil Nadu, and Pongal is the most important festival there. People like to eat dosa, idli, upma and sambar there. Now let's revise some new terms which we used in this chapter. इस chapter में कुछ हमने नए terms को use किया है, उनको एक बार फटाफट revise करते हैं. So first term is what? Plateaus. So what is it? ये एक तरीके का लार्ज फ्लैट एरिया होता है लैंड का, जो कि जमीन की सतह से थोड़ा ऊंचा होता है. इट्स a large flat area of land which is higher than the land around it. Next term is waterfall. So what is it? A river that suddenly falls from a height. जब ऊंचाई से रिवर का पानी नीचे की तरफ गिरता है तो उसे बोलते हैं waterfall. Here I am taking an example of Jog Falls. So the which we already learned about it in the chapter. The Jog Falls, the highest waterfall in India. Where it is? It is in Karnataka. Okay. Next term is dam. So students, a wall-like structure built across a river to store water. That particular structure is called what? Dam. In Hindi, water को store करने के लिए एक वॉल की तरह स्ट्रक्चर बनाया जाता है नदी के एक सिरे से दूसरे सिरे तक, ताकि पानी को हम स्टोर कर सके. So that structure, a wall-like structure which is built across a river to store water is called what? Dam.
So this chapter is over now. Go through with this video again and again and clear your doubts. Thank you.